In this video, I'm taking a look at question 4 from the Quadrilateral Properties quiz. So they started off giving you a parallelogram, A, B, C, D. And they asked us, which of the following properties will A, B, C, D always be a rhombus? Okay, now it is a parallelogram, so it has all the properties of a parallelogram already. So the first choice were the diagonals are congruent. Well, if the diagonals are congruent, that will force the parallelogram to straighten out, and it will only guarantee that it's a rectangle. We want to guarantee that it's a rhombus. So this guarantees a rectangle if the diagonals are congruent. Second choice, a pair of adjacent sides are congruent. Okay, that is the answer. A pair of adjacent sides are congruent. So you have a parallelogram. These sides are congruent. That automatically forces the other sides to be congruent because opposite sides are congruent in a parallelogram. So that would guarantee a rhombus, and that's the answer. Let's look at why choice 3 and 4 are wrong. The diagonals bisect one another. Again, that only makes it a parallelogram. So this does not guarantee that it's a rhombus. This just only guarantees that it's a parallelogram. Okay, the last choice, both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. That also only guarantees a parallelogram. So if those are congruent, those opposite angles are congruent, we cannot guarantee a rhombus. It only guarantees a parallelogram. Doesn't mean that it's not a rhombus. It's just that you can't guarantee it. Let's look at question 5 in this video. Given parallelogram ABCD, for which of the following properties will ABCD always be a rhombus? Okay, so first they said you already have a parallelogram. So they said the diagonals are perpendicular. So if the diagonals are perpendicular, that will indeed make it a rhombus. That guarantees a rhombus. Okay, then in the next choice it says the diagonals bisect the angles. That will also guarantee that it's a rhombus. This question is literally just listing the properties of a rhombus. So that's the deal with that. That will guarantee that it's a rhombus. And then choice 3, all 4 sides are congruent. As you know, that's the elementary definition of a rhombus. That guarantees that it's a rhombus. So then it's choice 4, all of the above. All right. Thank you.